Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of browser on the application of Snapchat. You will click on settings, then here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Snapchat and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.